Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This video presents AP or TS set previous mathematics questions and answers on real analysis. We'll see the question. Let Sn is equal to set of all 1 minus 1 whole to the power of n by n, where n is set of natural numbers and alpha and beta are the infimum and supremum of Sn respectively. Then the ordered pair alpha comma beta is equal to what are the multiple options? A 0 comma 1, B 0 comma 2, C 1 by 2 comma 2, D 1 comma 2. Okay, let us see the solution. Before going to solve this problem, we will recall the definitions of infimum and supremum of a given sequence. Okay, consider a sequence of real numbers n is equal to 1 to infinity. And then the infimum or greatest lower bound GLB of a given sequence. The number small m is the infimum or the greatest lower bound for the sequence an. If small m is a lower bound for the sequence an, and when we can say this lower bound is the greatest lower bound or infimum, no number greater than small m is a lower bound for the sequence an. And let us see what is supremum or the least upper bound LUB. So the number small m is the supremum or least upper bound for the sequence an. If capital M is an upper bound for the sequence an and no number less than capital M is an upper bound for the sequence an. So then we call such an upper bound as the least upper bound for the sequence. Yes, let us see the solution. Take an is equal to 1 minus of minus 1 whole to the power of n by n. Now I am dividing this as when n is even, I have 1 minus 1 whole power, and even number is always 1. So 1 by n. N is odd. N is odd. If I take n is an odd number, then this minus 1 will be always minus 1. So minus of minus will be plus. So I will get 1 plus 1 by n when n is odd. Now I am substituting the values. Suppose n is even. Let us take a2. So 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. a4, 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. a6, 1 minus 1 by 6, which is 5 by 6, like that. If I substitute the odd numbers, we will get n is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 by 1, which is 2. a3, 1 plus 1 by 3, which is 4 by 3. a5, 1 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 6 by 5. Yes, by observing the terms of the sequence and moreover by noticing that as n tends to infinity, the nth term will approach us to 2. Therefore, the greatest lower bound or infimum for this sequence Sn is alpha is equal to 1 by 2. So the greatest lower bound or the infimum is alpha is equal to 1 by 2. You can observe, my dear viewers, and the lowest or least upper bound, there is a least upper bound or supremum is beta is equal to 2. Thus alpha comma beta is equal to 1 by 2 comma 2. Which one is the correct option? Yes, C is the right option. Yes. Thank you viewers for watching our videos. All the best for your exam. Please subscribe our channel to get solutions for more questions. Please subscribe our channel to get solutions for more questions. Thank you.